going to be a really fun video. Alright, I'm gonna take it vlog style too, but I just want to kind of do a short little intro and tell you what's going on. So I have always wanted to try long nails. I, as you can see, don't really have nails. I bite them. I have a bad biting habit problem, and they don't work. I've gotten them done a few times, and the few times that I have, they last like 2 weeks max before I'm just like picking them off, you know. And as soon as one comes off, I'm like, well, pick them all off, you know. So they don't typically last for a long time, so I'm not gonna go spend a whole lot of money trying to get them done and all of that. So anyways, I recently saw a video that Joey Graceffa did called Kylie Jenner Nails for a Day, and I was like, all right, let's try that. All right, Joey, see what you got. I'll do it too. So I'm gonna try this. I'm going to dedicate this video to my best friend, Amy. So she always gets her nails done really cool type ways, and they're really long, and I don't know how she does it. I don't know how she wears them like that. How do you do it like that, Amy? Because I can't do it. They look really pretty though. I just can't. I don't know. I mean, okay, we're gonna see how this goes. So I already have everything done, and I have taken the nail polish off that was on there. They're buffed. The cuticles are pushed back and, you know, filed down and everything, and just ready to be glued on. And I'm gonna make me some claws. So here we go. As you can see, I have everything laid out, my nails ready to go, and I am using the Kiss nail glue. Now I'm just going to put them on one by one. I found it easier to put the glue directly on the nail and hold it for about 30 seconds. Pretty basic stuff. And there we go. And screw the top back on, and I am all done, ready to go. Alrighty guys, so I am done putting my claws on, and I'm gonna go show the hubby. Okay, so the thing is, he knows that I'm doing a video, but he does not know what I'm doing. So this will be interesting to see his reaction. But I'm already hating it. I can't do anything on my phone. I can't do anything with nothing. So let's go. Hey, babe.
What the fuck is on your hands?
What you think? So, you like my claws? Oh, and I'm not painting them or anything because I will be
taking them back off.
No, I'm actually gonna keep them, and ew, look, I got lipstick or something on it. Yeah, I'm gonna cut them down to like actual nail size so I can actually wear them. But for now, I'm just using the clothes to try it out for a day, because I don't know how you girls do it. If you guys have your nails like this all the time, like, how do you wipe your butt? That's gonna be the interesting part. Like, how do I do this? Like,
here, let's test them.
no.
On my back. You scratched my back. I want you to wipe my butt. You have to wipe my butt. You know, I want you to scratch my back. Come on, go.
I can't. I feel like they're gonna come off. Like, how do you? It's not. I don't know. They feel.
That's the only thing they're good for. I don't know.
Yeah, but when they're long like that, I feel like you can't even scratch good, because it's like, I don't know. I almost kind of want to do the almond shaped ones. Those are the ones that are like claws, like the pointy ones. Yeah. Witchy. The funny thing is, I'm hungry and I don't know how I'm gonna go about making food or eating. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this.
You don't need a butter knife to spread mayonnaise.
Use my nails, that's gross. I'm probably gonna get junk all under them too, like it's so nasty. Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna go about my day and kind of will stay in touch with you guys and let you know how I'm doing and what I'm doing and how this works out.
Did you do your makeup with your nails or before you put them on?
Before.
You think you
Heck
could do?
no, that's gonna
you
be
think you could do your
interesting. I'll
makeup
do
with
that.
them?
Heck no.
You fuck around, scratch your eyeballs, huh?
Yeah, that's the other thing. Like, how do you, especially Kylie Jenner? She's got a baby. These are like Kylie Jenner nails, but she's got a freaking. She just had a baby. And, well, I guess she's like 6 months old now, but still, like, I'll scratch my baby with these. Like, I can't. How do you function? I can't stop.
You do press stop for you?
Hold up.
I mean, she can't even press the stop button.
I'm going to attempt this on the phone. How do you type letters? Like I've got a beard. Alrighty. I have. Fuck.
Have to do Dexum.
Really long nails. See, your scrape works really good. Okay, let's do this. Both.
Yeah, right.
I mean, how do you do it with both?
Nunchucks, yeah.
See?
I wonder if they make nails
That would be nice.
Nails that are touchscreen compatible.
I mean, you can't like.
Try it.
How are you doing today? Oh, how do you?
You see what you're typing?
Alrighty, well, the phone typing situation didn't work out very well. I tried. So next I'm gonna try and make some food. Actually, I'm just heating up leftovers because this looks really good. And I actually made some really good buffalo chicken dip the other day, and this is what's left over. So I'm gonna scoop it out, and we're gonna heat this up and try. I think I'm just like scared of putting pressure on them because it hurts. Okay, that was easy enough. Ow. I feel like I have problems. Like, this is not how you hold a chip. So, I just went to the bathroom for the first time, and that was fun. So it wasn't that bad, but trying to pull up my pants was the worst. Because, yeah, you can't do anything. Like, I can't pull them up, I can't adjust my pants or nothing that I need to do. So that kind of sucks. But I'm getting ready to go get the kids off the bus, so we will get their reaction too. And if you guys, you see this screwed up eyelash I got going on? It doesn't want to stay. Do you have any tips on how to do this? Because I'm not an expert and it sucks. Okay. Alrighty, well, let's see what the kids think. Hey guys, what do you think about my nails?
Oh my.
What do you think?
No, I hate them.
You hate them? What about you? Is it funny? Do you like them?
Feel good. Get your back scratched.
Do you like them, Ning? Do you like them? Sissy, look. What do you think about my nails?
What are you doing?
You like my nails?
Why are they so long?
Why are they so long? Alrighty guys, well, it is the end of the day and I am about done wearing these things. I have literally tried everything just about that I could think of to try and do with these nails. I have eat, I have went pee. Not trying the other one. I cannot even imagine how that would work. Even simple tasks like writing and putting on makeup, I just can't, it's a very difficult thing to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these down and make them into normal size nails for me, which is pretty short, and go ahead and paint them and all of that good stuff so I can have some normal kind of nails. And I'll probably have these, like I said, probably for a couple of weeks. We'll see how long they last. That's about it. So anyways, I hope you guys like the video. And it was informative, well, and it was entertaining for you because, yeah, I did this for you. It's all for you. And subscribe. I can't stop looking at them. Look at that. Okay, subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.